Namaskar to all traders and welcome. This video will be on cheapest funding program that is available in the prop industry. I have chosen 3 prop firms for this. They provide a very cheap account starting from just $32 or $39, and at the same time they did not compromise with the quality and feature that they provide with their account. I'll make a comparison of all 3 prop firms side by side, which will give you a clear concept about their rules, conditions, and most importantly which one is best that you will be able to decide with the help of this video. Before moving ahead, in case if you have not subscribed the channel yet, then kindly consider subscribing the channel and like this video, and do let me know in the comment section which prop firm or any comparison video that you want in the comment section. So in order to make the comparison, I have considered various factors that they provide, and the prop firm side by side I'll make a complete unbiased comparison. The origin, first factor is origin. Funding Pips is based in Dubai, UAE. Smart Prop Trader is a US based prop firm. 5%ers is a Israel prop firm. Now in 5%ers they provide a lot of programs. Unlike Funding Pips and Smart Prop Trader, they only provide 2-step challenge. 5%ers provide instant funding as well and 3-step challenge as well. In this 5%ers, in this comparison, I'm taking the only high stake challenge, that is 2-step challenge of 5%ers. Now let's look at the profit target. In Funding Pips, you have to achieve a profit target of 8% in phase 1 and 5% in phase 2. In Smart Prop Trader, in 7% in phase 1 and 5% in phase 2. In high stake challenge, that is of 5%ers, that is 8% and 5% in phase 2. Now the daily drawdown and the drawdown type. Next factor is Funding Pips. Your daily drawdown will be 5% and it is calculated from highest of equity or balance at the starting of the day. Smart Prop Trader as well, 4% is the daily drawdown and it is calculated from the balance or equity whatever is higher at the beginning of the day. And in 5%ers, again same here, it is calculated from balance or equity whatever is higher at the beginning of the day, which is 5% maximum daily loss. Now moving to the next factor, that is maximum drawdown and their type. In Funding Pips, it is 10% is the maximum loss, which is fixed and static type of loss, which means in case if you have a 100k account, at any point of time your equity or balance should not go below 90k. Same goes to Smart Prop Trader. Drawdown type is fixed type of drawdown and it is 8% maximum loss. And in 5%ers, this is 10% maximum loss you get, and this loss as well, which is fixed and static type of loss. Now moving to the next comparative figure that I have tried to make the comparison. So like this is a risk to reward expectation. In this, what I will do, what are the risk to reward that they are expecting, those prop firms are expecting to us. So higher the risk to reward, tougher the challenge will be. Of course, if they are expecting higher target, higher risk to reward, then tougher the challenge will be, of course, based on the profit target and maximum loss that they are expecting. So if you look at the Funding Pips, the risk to reward comes 8 plus 5 is the target that they are expecting, and the maximum loss that they are giving is 10. So it comes 1:1.3. In Smart Prop Trader, it is 7 plus 5 by 8, that is 1:1.5, and in 5%ers as well, it comes 1:1.3. Now from here you will come to know that Smart Prop Trader have among these 3 prop firms, Smart Prop Trader have the toughest challenge. Now moving to the next factor, that is account type that they provide. In Funding Pips, they provide, once you pass the challenge, they provide a simulated funded account. In Smart Prop Trader as well, they provide a simulated funded account. In 5%ers, you get a real account. Leverage is 1:100 in Funding Pips, Smart Prop Trader 1:100, and 5%ers as well, it is 1:100. The minimum trading days in Funding Pips is 0 days, Smart Prop Trader as well 0 days, but in 5%ers there is a minimum trading days of 3 days. You have to trade for at least 3 days in one phase to move from one phase to another. The broker that they use is, in Funding Pips, it is Black Bull Market. In Smart Prop Trader, it is 8cap, and in 5%ers they don't have any broker. They have their own commercial liquidity provider. The commission is $2 per lot in Funding Pips, which is very less compared to any other prop firm. Smart Prop Trader, they have a $6 per lot, and in 5%ers they have $4 per lot. Trading platform is MT5 only in the funding pips, and smart prop trader they have a MT4 and MT5 available, and in 5%ers they have only MT5. News trading in funding pips, news trading is not allowed. In a smart prop trader, news trading is allowed. In 5%ers, news trading is not allowed again here. So this thing, smart prop trader is more flexible in terms of news trading. Profit split, if you see, in funding pips, you receive a profit split of up to 90%. Smart prop trader as well 90%. But in 5%ers, you start your profit share from 80%, and it can be increased to 100% max. 100% it can be increased in the final 4 stage levels. When you scale your account, you scale your profit share as well in this 5%ers. Now the payout model, payout frequency, that is, in funding pips, they give a payout on a 5-day basis. In a smart prop trader, they give a payout on a 12-day basis. In 5%ers, they give a payout on a bi-weekly basis, that is 14-day basis. Evolution profit split, if they give any or not. In funding pips, there is no profit split. In a smart prop trader as well, there is no profit split for the evolution. But in 5%ers, they will give you some kind of rewards which you can use for internal purchase. Now let's move to the scaling plan. In funding pips, they have 2 criteria to be eligible for scaling. You have to make 4 payouts and 10% profit. Then they will scale your account. The maximum loss can be increased here up to 14% along with scaling, and daily drawdown can as well increase up to 7% along with scaling. And they also do provide a monthly bonus in a hot seat that they provide. The maximum capital is up to $2 million in case of funding pips. In a smart prop trader, you just have to be profitable for 3 months. You just have to have a target of there is no target, it's just a 2% profit. You have to achieve a minimum of 2% in 3 months. Then they will scale your account by 25%, and maximum loss as well, they scale up to a 28% of the maximum loss that they scale here in a smart prop trader. Whereas in 5%ers, they scale your account on a level wise. In order to move from one level to another, you have to make a profit of at least 10%. And a maximum of $500,000, up to a $500,000 they scale your account, and profit split as well, they increase along with account scaling up to 100%. And on the last 4 stages, they give you monthly salary as well. Now last but not the least, that is account price, which is refundable in all 3 prop firms. In funding pips, their account starts from $32 only. In $32 you can get a 5k account, 5k challenge account. And in a smart prop trader, the lowest account size is 10k account, for which you have to pay $67. In 5%ers high stack challenge, you have to pay $39 for 5k account. Alright trader, this is it for the cheapest funding programs that is available in the prop firm industry. In case if you find it suitable, if you find it informative, then do hit a subscribe button. And in case if you want to go and apply for the account, please do use the link that is in the description and the discount coupon. Jamtson FX closing the comparison between the top 3 cheapest prop firm in the industry.